So, a new adaptive roughing strategy was added in SprutCAM 12. The high-performance strategy is used to remove material at a high feed using the maximum possible milling depth for the tool with a small sampling step, 5–30%. Such conditions are achieved due to the fact that the strategy guarantees that the given cut width is not exceeded. The material is removed in a spiral. There are no sharp corners in the path. The smoothness of the tool path is controlled by separate parameters for rounding radius on roughing passes. These parameters, finishing pass and transitions, means that we can set a separate radius for each of these conditions. Whenever possible, overlaps are carried out in the working plane with a small additional gap, which contributes to the cooling of the tool. Whenever possible, overlaps are carried out in the working plane with a small additional gap, which contributes to the cooling of the tool. For the mixed milling, the width of cut and the feed rate of conversional passes can be set separately from the climb passes. You can study the features of this strategy in the project from the existing example. Thank you for your attention.